when we talk about formulating, of course, we call these the bookends. You got to know where you are and where you're going. And, when you know where you are, you've got to talk about the physical fiber too. You can't just say, what level is it? You got to know level, tone, porosity, gray. Like there's more to this little starting story. So we call it the starting point, not just the starting level, because you'll be missing things. And then where are you going? Where's your target? Not just your target level, but your target tone. And that's going to matter because it's going to determine what kind of remaining pigment you create. Yes, what kind? There's more than one kind. It's not just one type. We'll get to that in our chemistry class. But so in order to figure out what you need to do, like what you need to use, there's always 3 questions in between this for you to ask yourself. First, you got to know this, of course, know your bookends. Then you have to ask yourself, once you know where you are and where you're going, what category of color do you need, right? Are you lift, shift, like really lift, or like really, really lift, or are you going like lighter lift? So what category, what level, what volume? These are the big choices. And this comes from your understanding of your chemistry. If you get stuck here, that means you need to dive in and hone in on your chemistry, your hair color chemistry, because whatever this is, combined with whatever you put it on, will determine whatever lift you create. Let me say that again. Whatever category, level, and volume, plus what you put that on, is going to determine what you get here. And you have to control and predict this, because if you don't, you think, let's say you think you lifted the hair to a 7, a vibrant light orange, and you're applying, let's say this is your deposit. Let's say you think you lifted it here, but you really lifted it to an 8, or you lifted it to a 6. Well, your result is going to be off because these two are mixing together. So huge part is making sure you control and predict this, and you pick the right deposit, because you got to get to the right target or final result, right? So hopefully this and this match.